Welcome back to the channel, you guys. Back with another video on the V4R. You know, doing all the tuning and all that stuff for this bike. The exhaust, meeting up with a friend right now, and we're gonna go riding together to tune the bike and get all that fun content for you guys. I don't know why it does that when I shift sometimes to like neutral. How you doing?
You need gas?
No, I'm good.
You're good.
You good? Alright, bet. It is actually sunny out today, so it's not too bad. It's a nice V2. Wet Porsche. I like. Oh, that's a nice GT500. Still gotta take care of that check engine light. I'm also curious to see how much power this bike is going to be making. I always say they need to make a satin white V4. I feel like that'll look really sick. They did the black with the V4 SP, so imagine the white. That combo would be insane. What is up with all the Shelbys today? See, like, it's over revving right now, and then what? Why does it do that? Very weird. Hopefully we'll get that figured out today with the tune. It's probably just acting up because of all the new parts. These pops and bangs on this bike are very aggressive. I like it a lot. I also can't wait to rev higher, but I don't want to, you know, hurt the engine with my current fuel to air ratio and all that stuff. This exhaust is so exciting. I love, my favorite part is like the pops when I shift. If I just gas it like not too much, if I'm up to like 8,000 RPMs, it just pops like crazy when I shift. It's like the nice ones too, you know? Really transformed this bike. It feels very different. Can't imagine how it's gonna feel after the tune too. why it does that. It's only when I go from second to neutral. When I go from like first to neutral, it's chilling. Oh, that's a cool Tesla. Is it psychedelic? It is. It's a throwback to my psychedelic ZX6R. The real OG fans know that bike. What a fun bike. I definitely want to do another like psychedelic project in the future. Ho ho ho. All the V4s over here. What's on here? Oh, it's the HP4 again. Come on, I need to tune my bike. Ah, what is this doing here? Feels like I never left. V4 Dave. No, V4. Well, we're kind of done with mine. We just need to tune it. It's acting up.
Okay.
How you doing? Alright, I will update you guys as we get into the dyno room and all that stuff. But yeah, this should be exciting. I'm excited to see the bike on the dyno. Fun stuff.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Nice. Where'd you get the key done?
I have no idea, to be honest.
Like that?
Yeah, I got it a while ago. I got it on my last bike. The last V4 I had, and I just transferred it onto this one. Yeah.
Yeah, it looks nice, man.
Thank you, appreciate it. Not done with that. More fumes.
Oh, yesterday I was so bad I had a headache.
Well,
Alright, that's pretty much it. I'll update you guys when we get to the tuning.